Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record in Loom using the camera only mode, perfect for when you want to deliver a personal message or presentation without sharing your screen. Let's get into it. First, open the Loom app or extension. Loom gives you two main ways to record on your computer in 2026, the desktop app and the Chrome extension. Launch the Loom desktop app from your Applications folder or click the Loom icon in your Chrome browser extensions bar. If prompted, sign in to your account. You'll immediately see the recording control panel appear on your screen. Next, select Cam Only mode. By default, Loom usually starts in Screen plus Cam mode. You need to switch this to focus entirely on your video feed, which changes the interface significantly. In the Recording Settings window, click the Cam Only icon. This disables screen capture and expands your webcam preview so you can see exactly what your audience will see. Look at the bottom of the Loom window. You'll see drop-down menus for camera and microphone. Ensure your best camera is selected. Speak a few words. A blue bar next to the mic icon will bounce to show your audio is being picked up. If it's not moving, click the menu to switch to the correct microphone. In 2026, switching to Cam Only activates the recording canvas. This is where you can click on your camera bubble to choose a virtual background to blur your room, or a frame to add a circular or decorative border to your video. And that's pretty much it. To record a camera-only video in 2026, open Loom, switch the mode to Cam Only, and double-check your audio and video sources at the bottom of the panel. Use the recording canvas to add a professional background, then hit Start Recording to create a high-quality personal video in seconds. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.